In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo. First, log in to your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the home page, click on the Campaigns option from the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. On the Campaigns page, click on the Create Campaign button located in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure you select Email if you are creating a newsletter, and then click on Continue. Next, choose the email list to which you want to send the newsletter. After selecting your list, click Next in the upper right-hand corner. Here you will need to enter the subject line for your newsletter. You also have the option to add preview text, which appears after the subject line, though this step is optional. Your sender name and email will be automatically filled based on your account settings. If you want to build your newsletter from scratch, click on Create. Alternatively, click on Email Library in the left-hand menu to browse available templates. Scroll through the library until you find a template you like. Then click on it to preview both the mobile and desktop versions. Once satisfied, click Use Template. Now you can start customizing your newsletter. You can drag elements such as images, text, and buttons from the left-hand menu into your email. To delete an existing element, click on it and then select the bin icon. To edit text, click the text block, select the pencil icon, and make your changes. For buttons, you can edit the link address on the left-hand side by entering the URL you want recipients to be redirected to when they click. Once your newsletter is fully designed, click Next in the upper right-hand corner to proceed. Click Next again on the review screen and then choose Schedule or Send. If you choose Schedule, select the date and time you want your newsletter to be sent. If you choose Send Now, your newsletter will be sent immediately to everyone on the selected list. This is how you can create and send a newsletter in Klaviyo.